How to buy the Roblox with Google Play balance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to buy Roblox, Robux or a premium membership subscription with your Google Play balance, here are the steps to follow. First of all, check your Google Play balance, which can be done through the profile and payment and subscriptions payment method section. The current Google Play balance will be displayed there. Now that you have done so, open the Roblox app, head over to the More icon, and then head over to Premium. Once that you have gone to this Premium section, select the amount of Robux or the subscription plan that you want to buy. After you have selected it, tap on Subscribe Now and the Google Play payment screen will appear. Now choose Google Play Balance as the payment method and buy by confirming the purchase. After the purchase is successful, your Robux or premium subscription will be credited to your account immediately. You will also receive an email receipt from the Google Pay for the transaction. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.